Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You sign in and head straight to Gmail. Make sure you use the account that contains the spam you want gone. Once in, open the spam label in the left sidebar. On mobile, tap the menu, then Spam. You're starting now, so don't navigate elsewhere. Check the top of the list to confirm these are unwanted messages and prepare to remove them in bulk rather than deleting one by one. You click the top checkbox to select all visible messages. Gmail will show an option to select every conversation in spam, so click that to include all pages. Make sure to scan any subject lines you recognize before proceeding, because selection is global. Once done, verify the total number selected. If needed, deselect individual items to preserve them. This step ensures you delete everything at once rather than repeating it across pages. With everything selected, press Delete forever to permanently remove those spam conversations from your account. This bypasses trash for spam, so be certain. After deletion, you can open Trash and empty Trash now if items were moved there to free space. If the action fails, sign out and back in, clear your browser cache, or try another browser or the Gmail app. These steps fix most sync or interface issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.